So you want to get a custom mechanical keyboard but then you're on a tight budget? Well, I have a solution for you.
This is the Gamakay GK61 pre-built custom mechanical keyboard, which is a bang for the buck where you can get one of these only for 230 ringgit. And yes, it comes standard with pudding keycaps. So this is the package. It's certain that this package had gone through some hardship, but it don't matter. Let's just hope that the inside is okay. Of course, at this price range, you will not expect a dust bag to conceal the keyboard, but you will get a humble plastic wrap instead. Let's see what's behind this. Oh, what's this? A warranty? Of course not, it's just a manual. Yes, you know what this means? It comes with a switch puller as well, which means that this keyboard has a hot swap PCB, which also means that you can change key switches without the troubles of using a soldering tool. This little plastic also includes a Gateron blue and a Gateron brown switches. Very nice, very nice. Ah, it comes free with a keycap puller as well. And nice. The keyboard uses a USB Type-C instead of an archaic micro USB. I'm sure that many people will appreciate that too. The cable is also angled, which is a pretty good feat. It is a braided cable and they are twisted and held on this cheap velcro.
Boing, boing, boing.
Okay, without further ado, let's jump back to the keyboard. I must say, the build quality is pretty good. It's stiff, sturdy, and solid. Not what I would expect from a keyboard at this price range. There's not much flexing either. There's an incline behind the keyboard, which is nice. I like the fact that they did not put any gloss finish to any parts of the case, because if they would, it would just be... Other than that, let's see the side profile of the keyboard. The profile of the keycaps are decent. Wow, you can really see the beauty of the pudding keycaps. Can't wait to see how good it will look like with RGB lightings. Remember back in the days where you need to spend around 130 ringgit just for pudding keycaps? Talking about keycaps, they are PBT keycaps, which means that they are durable and nice to feel. For this keyboard, I went for the Gateron brown switches. They are silent tactile switches. The quality and feel of the Gateron brown switches are pretty comparable to the superior Cherry MX brown switches. They are optical switches which are low latency and very responsive. And also you don't need to go through the 3-pin 5-pin hassle. But take note guys, that also means that you are stuck with Gateron optical switches only and can't test out with Cherry scales and whatnot. Now is the moment you have all been waiting for. Let's connect and test this keyboard. The RGB is not the brightest, but I gotta admit, it's one of the most vibrant one I've ever seen. With the pudding keycaps though, sheesh! Gamakay did state that the stabilizers are pre-looped. The stabilizers don't really feel as consistent among each other, but why complain? But I gotta admit, at this price point of 230 ringgit, I wonder why someone would refuse such an offer. Congratulations, you have reached the end of the video. Subscribe for fun if you want to. I don't know.